In this video, we'll review the lender icons and lender product data on your website. Providing your website visitors with lender product data is an essential feature that attracts search traffic, engages clients, and converts extremely well. In some cases, we've seen these pages, when crafted correctly, convert double-digit leads a day, so it's a feature that needs to be used. The lender information integration is a funnel imperative and has a very significant impact on your organic and paid traffic. A user will always engage more with information than they will forms or other assets, at least initially, and especially if the touch point is organic or the traffic isn't delivered via paid promotion. Towards the end of this video, we'll touch on the lender funnel and how it might be used. The pages we're about to describe function as you would expect when your website is delivered. So this video is about understanding how the module works and how to personalize the experience. We include lender data everywhere on your website in different formats. We provide various types of ribbons and panels, and there's a suite of lender widgets that are shown on virtually every page. In this video, we're going to look at just the lender icons shown on your website and those pages connected to the lender icons archive. Other videos should be referenced for around a dozen other product features. Lender data comparison features and other tools are updated very regularly, so please consult BeLearn for all up-to-date features. Lender data is updated on the Yabba end every day, and the information on your website is normally cached for up to 3 days and usually just a single day. If required, the data may be purged via the cache menu by you in the WordPress module in Yabba, and Yabba will automatically purge your website of old cache files when updates are identified. Lender data is a tiered system. That is, the ribbons, panels, widgets, and in our case, icons link to either an archive page that renders a suite of parent lender products, and in some cases, the data links directly to product pages that provide a very detailed overview of each product. In the case of the lender icon archive page, each lender icon links to an archive page that shows all the parent products associated with that lender. Selecting any product from the lender archive page returns the user to the product page, which is an extensive resource and provides thorough research material for your website visitors. The information returned on product pages includes data such as the published and comparison rates, LVR product variations, LMI requirements, product features, product eligibility, fees and charges, and any limitations and restrictions that might apply. If any PDF documents are linked to the product, they're usually returned as an embedded PDF document. As we'll introduce shortly, the page should include funnel assets to facilitate a conversion or manufacture a conversion pathway. Before the icons are shown on your website, we need to define our accredited lenders in Yabba. Select the bank icon in the website module and you'll be presented with a number of options. Select accreditations, then select your applicable website and define your accredited lenders on that page. Once saved, your options will immediately apply. You may update these lenders at any time. We'll come back to more Yabba options in a moment. Now, when your website is delivered to you, your lender icons will show based on the definitions applied as we've just described. You may add the icons anywhere on any page or return just a defined list of lenders, and we'll detail the process of rendering the lender icons shortly. Unlike your competitors, your icons are a clickable asset that actually returns a resource. And it's this engaging and simple navigation that creates more views, establishes your expertise, turns your website into a real resource, and ultimately creates more conversions. Again, clicking on any of these icons returns an archive page, and the archive page links to various product pages. The experience adds thousands of pages to your website. The lender image panel can be returned anywhere with a simple shortcode of just bank icon index as shown on the screen, and the panel is almost always used on the front entry page. To use this shortcode elsewhere, you simply paste it anywhere on any page. In fact, selecting the bank data primary menu item returns an archive style page with all accredited lenders, and this page is also created with the bank icon index shortcode. BeLearn details how to return only specific lenders with shortcode, but the usual method of including limited lender images to a page is via Elementor. So when we're creating a page with Elementor, select the lender grid block. By default, and as shown, this will render all your accredited lenders when returned to a page. But you may also limit the lenders via the select menu. In our case, and just for the purpose of the demo, we'll select CommBank, ANZ, NEB, and St. George. The result, just the 4 lender images as selected, is shown. As mentioned, the icons are a small part of the lender and comparison data made available via Yabba and on your website, so you should navigate to the lender module once again in BeLearn for a more thorough understanding. There are a number of options that alter the manner in which the lender pages are returned, and you will find these options in the Lender Archives menu by following the lender icon in the website module. In a moment, we'll touch on the lender funnel and the advantage of adding video into the funnel. So we'll briefly look at how to assign custom videos to each lender page. We'll also detail how to alter the way in which PDF documents are returned to lender product pages. Videos are optional, and they're optional on all pages. That includes the icon archive page that lists all your accredited lenders, the lender product review page, and the lender product pages. The lender archive includes a single generic video as defined by you, and this is defined via the archive panel in Yabba. The video assigned to the lender review page and the lender product pages, with the latter showing all product rates and attributes, is defined on the basis of lender, with an optional default video made available when a video is not assigned to a specific lender. This all sounds complicated, but it's very, very easy to define. Each lender typically has primary products tailored to a specific audience type, and groups of lenders are often similar in the types of lending they provide, so we can assign a single video to show for these various groups of lenders. From the lenders panel, we'll select just a random group of lenders, select a website, give the group a name and description, and then we'll assign this video to these specific lenders. Note that ANZ is listed in our group, and we'll show this page in a moment to show the end result. A small red dot appears next to lenders without an assigned video, and a green dot appears next to those that are assigned. Those already assigned to this group will be shown in the upper panel. Don't worry too much about these assignments. If you select a lender that already has a video assigned, it'll simply be overwritten. Down the bottom of this panel, you will see an optional interest type, and this is part of our conditional system that is covered in other videos. We'll save our example group and send it to our website, remembering that because Yabba is a multi-website system, we have to send data to the applicable website whenever a change is required to be set. If we navigate our way back to our website and select the lender data option from the primary menu, you'll see that the selected archive video is now shown. If we select ANZ from the lender options, the parent products for this lender are shown, and scrolling down will show the video we just defined. Selecting a product will take us to the product page with the selected video shown in line in content. Now, videos aren't required on any page, but they certainly help. In fact, assigning any single video to every page will have more of an impact than no video at all. So talk to us about what content might work best for you. Remember, a page with video is over 50 times more likely to appear on the front page of Google. And with all the other benefits set aside, it's that single stat that justifies a small amount of effort. Because each product page is so highly trafficked, we're obligated to include assets on each page that will convert clients. A video on each page objectively improves conversions, and a calendar subscription form is required on each page. And we highly recommend that the form is value-based and redirects to the optional fact find report with another conditional video. Remember that the fact find will send the user a summary PDF, so engagement is very high since the fact find or any other report is a service rather than some arbitrary quiz that does nothing. With the quiz, a typical tool erroneously used by some brokers. You should review our funnel video series with this particular funnel called a lender funnel, with the fact find used to resolve borrowing objective and serve engaging, relevant and high-value education. All shared, by the way, in subsequent communication. The early organic lender funnel efforts work extremely well because we're capturing an engaged audience that is actively researching. As described in the video on modals, and remembering that a funnel should always look ahead to what comes next, and knowing that the funnel bubble should always provide a catch, we may serve a modal if a user makes an attempt to vacate the page or the experience before they've completed the report, or if they vacate the top of funnel subscription experience earlier than we would like. If any report is completed, additional escalation is applied, particularly if no booking was made via the integrated calendar and conditional redirects. The lender funnel, used in an organic setting or as part of promoted mid-funnel campaigns such as those on Facebook, was important to introduce in this video, in brief anyhow, as it starts to expose the value of the information lender data provides on your website. Although the applicable video and discussion should be referenced for actionable information. If you're watching this in BeLearn, you'll find a link on this page. The lender data plays an important and essential role in your funnel excursion, so take advantage of the integration and automation. You'll find yourself building highly effective and highly trafficked experiences in a matter of just minutes. A couple of other points need to be made. As you know, every page on your website is a potential organic entry point, and therefore it's a type of landing page that needs to provide a conversion opportunity. Every page includes either a location form or location panel. Assign these resources via the location panel. So if you have any suggestions or feature requests or you encounter any bugs, please let us know.